wants us to follow her into that tunnel. Uh-oh, there are lots of tunnels in here.
And we don't know which way the Violin Fairy went.
Don't worry, we can listen to figure out which way she went. Remember, the Violin Fairy plays a magical song that sounds like this. Let's listen for her song down this first tunnel. Is that the Violin Fairy's song? No, that's not her song.
I wonder who's making that music. It's an animal.
What animal is it? A seal! Yes!
Remember, we need to listen for the Violin Fairy's song. Let's listen to the next tunnel. Is that the Violin Fairy song? No, that can't be the way.
Let's see who's making that music. What animal is it? Yes, it's a polar bear. Yikes! We definitely don't want to go that way.
Come on, let's check this third tunnel. Listen. Is that the Violin Fairy song? Yes, that's her song. All right! We found her.
Hooray!
Thanks for helping us find the right tunnel.
Go that way, Rocket. That sounds like the other instrument fairies.
They need us to hurry and rescue them from that cold, dark cave.
Don't worry, the Violin Fairy can lead us to the cave. Let's go!
Zippity zip zip zin zin zin. Uh-oh, the water is all frozen.
All right! The Violin Fairy knows a shortcut to get past the ice. We can go under the ice.
Of course, Rocket can turn into a submarine.